Wow, this is a very good place. Welcome, welcome, guys. Wow, you can't imagine. Wow, water from the spring, natural water. This is from natural. Wow. Yay. Please watch, like, share, subscribe, my viewers. I love you all. Comments. I love you. Wow. You can't imagine this beautiful view. With the Mubarak Aleki, for all the Muslim brothers and sisters. I love you. I have to show you this view. I just visited this place for lunch today, and we are enjoying the view, we are enjoying the flowers, and in this pond we have some fish, if you can see from afar.